Stop scrolling. Intel just reshuffled its entire CPU ladder, and that could change how you buy laptops and desktops. In the next few minutes, I'll explain exactly what Core and Core Ultra mean, reveal who actually benefits, and give you one decisive tip at the end that could save you hundreds. Don't blink. This matters if you plan to buy or upgrade this year. Hey, if you want a clear, no-fluff breakdown of Intel's new naming and the real-world impact, not marketing fluff, you're in the right place. Stick around until the final section. I'll show the single question to ask before you spend a dime, and it will tell you whether Core Ultra is worth it for you. Here's the short version. Intel split its consumer chips into Core, everyday reliable performers, and Core Ultra, the new high-end chips packed with AI smarts and stronger integrated graphics. That's the headline. But the details determine whether you should upgrade. Keep watching. I'll walk you through practical, wallet-focused advice, not just spec lists. Intel's i3, i5, i7 naming guided buyers for over a decade. As chip designs diverged, those labels stopped telling the whole story. By creating Core and Core Ultra, Intel is trying to simplify the lineup, but new names alone won't help unless you understand what's been added under the hood. I'll unpack that now so you don't get fooled by marketing. Think of Core as the dependable daily driver. These chips are tuned for web browsing, office work, video calls, and light editing. They focus on efficiency and battery life rather than bleeding-edge performance. If you use your machine for school, office productivity, and casual media, Core is the practical, budget-friendly pick. Core Ultra is the new high-performance tier. It targets creators, professionals, and power users who run heavy workloads like video rendering, 3D design, or machine learning features. Core Ultra also includes dedicated AI hardware and improved integrated graphics that let you do more without a discrete GPU, but it's not automatically better for everyone. Core Ultra chips include an NPU, a small dedicated neural processing unit. Picture it as a co-pilot designed for AI tasks, speech recognition, local AI filters, or speeding up creative tools that use on-device machine learning. The NPU frees the main CPU cores for other tasks, making AI features snappier and less power-hungry when apps support it. Intel's newer integrated graphics are stronger than before thanks to updated architecture. That means faster video exports, smoother playback, and the ability to play many games at modest settings without a discrete GPU. Important caveat, even the best integrated GPU still trails dedicated graphics cards for serious gaming or professional 3D work. Don't get swayed by buzzwords. New chips bring better single-core and multi-core performance plus efficiency gains, but actual improvements depend on workloads. For browsing and standard apps, you may not notice much. For video editing, AI-enabled apps, and multitasking, the gains can be meaningful. I'll show you how to judge your own needs in a minute. Upgrade if any of these apply. Your machine is several years old, you handle large video projects, you rely on AI-accelerated tools, or you want future-proofed laptop performance. If your current CPU is recent, for example, recent 11th to 13th Gen era machines, the upgrade is less urgent unless you specifically need the NPU or better integrated graphics. Hold off if you primarily game with a discrete GPU, use your PC for basic productivity, or your current system meets your needs. Gamers would often get more value from upgrading or buying a better graphics card rather than chasing the newest CPU. Also, check motherboard compatibility. Sometimes you'll need a new board anyway, which shifts the math. Before you hit buy, ask these quick questions. What generation is your current CPU? Do your apps support local AI acceleration? Are you buying a laptop or desktop? Will you rely on a discrete GPU? Does the new CPU require a new motherboard or RAM? Answering these will tell you if the upgrade is sensible or wasteful. If your PC is older than 4 years, upgrade gives clear benefits. If you use AI tools or do heavy content work, prioritize Core Ultra. If gaming is your main use, prioritize GPU. If battery life and budget matter most, Core or last-gen CPU upgrades are the smarter buy. Core Ultra equals automatic, huge speedups. False. Integrated graphics now replace GPUs. Also false for high-end gaming and professional 3D. NPU works for everything immediately. Not true, software must support it. Understanding software support is crucial to receiving the promised benefits. Here's the single question you must ask before spending money. Does the software I use today explicitly list CPU-based AI acceleration or improved integrated graphics as supported features? If yes, Core Ultra can unlock noticeable speed and efficiency. If not, wait and save your upgrade for when apps actually use that hardware. This question can save you hundreds, so don't skip it. All right, Core is for everyday users who want reliability and efficiency. Core Ultra is for creators, power users, and anyone relying on AI-enabled features. Don't be rushed by the hype. Check your apps and compatibility first. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment your current CPU model. I'll tell you if an upgrade makes sense. Watch the pinned comment for a quick checklist you can copy. Want one more quick win? I'll be dropping a short comparison video tomorrow showing real export times between Core and Core Ultra chips. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss that hands-on test. If you're shopping this month, knowing these numbers could save you a bad purchase. Thanks for sticking through. New CPUs are exciting, but smart buyers win. Drop your questions below, and I'll answer the top ones in the next video. Bye for now, and remember, buy based on your workload, not the headline.